Okay, new from AcuRite. This is model 15607. Now this is a wind-up mechanical timekeeping movement, loud bell alarm, metal case with nickel finish, chrome-plated bezel and accents. It does have an alarm time indicator on the display, luminous glow-in-the-dark hour markers and hands, convex glass lens. Let me stop in here. I like the glass lens. I like that it's metal. I like that the keys are steel. We're going to do the alarm in real time here. Let's hear it. I'd say that's loud. I like the button on the top. Quality by AcuRite.